Hi everybody, this is Sarah and I'm with WATT. And so I have people that have asked about, some of your history, SpongeBob, and so can you tell me a little bit about some of the reasons why that you wanted to do the Appalachian Trail?
Oh, absolutely, Sarah, or Rachel,
Sarah.
Sarah.
Yeah, it's okay.
You know, that's an interesting question. A lot of people ask it, and to be honest, I considered a number of different trails. But I knew I didn't want to do the Orange Lacian Trail, and I definitely didn't want to do the Banana Lacian Trail. So I settled on the Appalachian Trail.
Yeah,
And that's the whole story behind it, really.
that's awesome.
Nothing more than that.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Well, how did you come to know Georgia?
Oh, I came to know Georgia because we met in the first week of our hike, and we just clicked like that.
Really?
You know? Oh, yeah.
Like what?
Like that. That's how we clicked, Rachel, Sarah. We're very much like the same person.
Really?
Georgia and I. Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
indeed. We hike the same speed. We
That's
hike
true.
the same style.
Yeah.
We have the same goals.
Right.
And we have the same values.
Right.
You
and
know?
we have the same tune when we sing.
We do.
That's why
do.
we harmonize well.
Right. It sometimes is out of tune, but nonetheless,
Well, that's your opinion.
we don't offend each other for sure.
No. Well, I mean, I
We
wouldn't know.
compliment
I'm
each other.
Sarah. I
Well,
wouldn't
that's
know.
true. That's
I have
true.
to ask Georgia that.
Ask
anyway.
Georgia that. She'll tell
Yes.
you the same thing.
Yes. Okay.
Oh, indeed.
Would you like to say anything? Add anything else?
I just want to say it's been, it's been my privilege and pleasure hiking with Georgia and interviewing with you, Sarah.
Yes. Yes.
Sarah Rachel.
Yes.
The two most common names of female news commentators in the world. And that's it. I'm just having a great time, and I hope it continues for as long as it can.
Right.
Yep.
Right. That sounds great. Thank you so much for taking the time to speak with me today.
Well, thank you, and thank the bosses at WATT. Appreciate that.
Okay, I sure will. All right.
Bye-bye now.
Bye-bye now. Good morning, everybody. Well, we are leaving Cosby Knob Shelter today. We're going to Davenport Gap, where there should be some trail magic down there, I hear, which is they're making breakfast and lunch for the hikers. So that's always a sweet surprise when we get that, and we're very, very appreciative of it. And we'll return the favor someday when we get off trail and do for other hikers. So anyway, we're also gonna, at the end of the day, we'll end up at Standing Bear Hostel. It's kind of like a hippie hostel, which that's my kind of thing, if you know me. Anyway, and we'll be out of the Smokies. Woo, 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 woo. So that's another milestone for us. How you feel about that, SpongeBob?
I'll be happy to be out of the Smokies. That's how I feel.
Me too. All right, well, this is a rocky trail that we're on, and I don't want to trip and face plant, so I'm going to shut her down for now. And if there's anything interesting, I'll stop and video. You know I will. All right, love you guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye. There's the Smokies. That's the top right there. SpongeBob will be coming up soon. There he is. He made it. Last big mountain of the Rockies. I mean Smokies. Good job.
Like the Rockies.
Good job. All right, let's go. Let's go down. Okay, guys, so we're coming down our last mountain, and it's 5 miles, 5.3 miles down of this stuff. Rocks and stairs, rocks and stairs, rocks and stairs, rocks and stairs. So by the end of the day, our knees and feet are going to be shot. So I would say wish us luck, but you'll be watching this after we already came down. Okay, but I'll cry later. All right, bye. It's raining today. It's barely coming down outside my forest.
Thank you for waiting.
Watching the rain fall to the ground. Can you see I'm busy singing?
What song is that?
I don't know. I think it's by Nora Roberts or
Oh, you're
somebody.
just making it up?
No, well, kinda. Cause I'm talking about my forest. Okay, ta-ta.
That camera of the smoke.
Of the smoke stuff where it looks like it's...
Yeah. That's a real good one right there.
Yeah, it doesn't. The pictures aren't going to do it justice anyhow.
No, that's what we've been saying.
We think this stone wall is from the original when they first built the Appalachian Trail. We're going to have to investigate. It's absolutely gorgeous. Okay. Used to think we came down from that this morning. We're still coming down from that mountain this morning. Man, hard to believe. Look at this luscious green forest, man. Ah, so beautiful. I still have another mile to go to be down this mountain, so rock on, baby. Look at these vines coming down from these trees. There's some over here. Crazy. Okay.
Appreciate you doing that. Is this where the mailbox is?
Yeah,
Did
it's
we drop
right
our
here.
thing?
Yeah.
Oh, well, we got to get a picture then, too.
I know. I got a video going right now.
Oh, okay, good.
All right, so here we are. The finish line of the Great Smoky Mountains.
Oh, man.
We did it, man. We did it.
I can't believe it.
Yay.
Awesome.
All right. Here, let me get you.
All right. Here we are. And did I lose my permit? No, here it is. There it is, the
All
top
right.
half.
All right. Yes.
Officially done with the Smokies.
All
now
right.
let me get you.
Okay.
All right.
Congratulations.
Well, thank you. And congratulations to you, too.
Can't believe it, man. Yes. Yay.
All right.
Let's go get a cheeseburger and Diet Coke.
Indeed.
So we just completed the Smokies and we're going up to Standing Bear Hostel. And this is what we saw on the way. It's really the first waterfall, decent waterfall, besides Emma-Calola Falls that we've seen on the trail. Very, very nice. Awesome. All right. Oh, that's so pretty. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, great feeling after a long day. Our cross bridge to AT Trail. We don't have to cross the highway, that'd be great. We're not sure what river this is. It's cool. And there's the highway up there. But we don't have to cross that, thank goodness. Alright. We just had some trail magic. Somebody asked us if we wanted some Hershey Kisses. We said, yeah, that'd be great. People are so sweet. Alright. Over and out. This is at Standing Bear Hostel. I call it the hippie hostel, which is my kind of place. Yeah. Beautiful.
In the early morning rain, with a dollar in my hand and an aching in my heart, and my pockets full of sand. I'm a long way from home, and I miss my loved ones so. Here on the ground, where the cold winds blow, you can't jump a jet plane like you can a freight train. So I best be on my way in the early morning rain. of my home shall fly. With the morning rain don't fall, and the sun always shines. She'll be flying past my home in about 3 hours time. In the early morning rain, with a dollar in my hand and an aching in my heart, and my pockets full of sand. I'm a long way from home.